Hello guys, today I want to show you how to link Google Sheet table to Google Docs, how to insert it and copy it successfully. So first, head over to Google Sheets. Now, select the first Google Sheet column here, click on Shift, and just hold Shift and click on the bottom arrow to select all the series in your Google Sheets document. So, let's select them all here. We have approximately 300 or 400 cells, and when it's done, just click on right mouse click. Click Convert to Table. It's already highlighted, so make sure it's all highlighted here. Now, right mouse click again, click on Copy, and head over to Google Doc and click Paste. So here, make sure to link to Spreadsheet. You should check this option so every time you make a change in your Google Sheet document, the change is applied to the copied Google Sheet cell in your Google Docs, so click on Paste. I'll make a change, for example here. Canva 1. Here you'll have to see the change already made. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment. See you in the next video.